If food is important to you at Christmas time, I just want to see some flames in those comments right now. Smell that ham smoke from all across the world. Smelling smoke. Everybody eating, having a time. This love in the atmosphere, make it sweet as life. But all that smell will turn to foam if one egg comes a second wrong. It have no food in the oven. If I can't smell ham, if I can't smell turkey, don't look for me. I'm still hungry, I'm still hungry. All I want to smell is smoke in the kitchen. That sweet Christmas smell, so I can tell everything you cook is so finger licking. All you feel is jokes that I'm making. Look, Rezo, stop the engine. If I can't smell it. All right. Food is important at Christmas, we know that. Family is important, we know that. We have this whole COVID pandemic to deal with in the midst of everything. But the enemy is still active, so I want to encourage you all to resist the temptations that might come your way this Christmas. One tune.
What is nothing for you might be trouble for me. What is nothing for you might be trouble for me. And I don't want to falter, not this Christmas. No, 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 no. So when I see trouble coming, I resist, oh, I resist. Some people don't understand me. No, I resist, oh, I resist. I'm telling you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas. I resist, oh, I resist. Yes, I promise you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas. I resist, oh, I resist. There was a time I used to drink and lime and party all the time. When the music hit, I had to whine. But now I'm trying to walk a different line and represent this holy gift inside. Inside.
So some might sip a punch of creamer, but I
resist. I resist.
and some could sip a glass of vodka, but I
resist.
So when I see trouble coming,
I resist. Oh, I resist.
some people don't understand me.
No. I resist. Oh, I resist.
But I'm telling you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas.
I resist. Oh, I resist.
I promise you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas.
I resist. Oh, I resist.
Listen,
I know the enemy can use a time like this. Make Christians reminisce on the girls or boys they used to kiss. But don't look back, don't even take that risk. Cause Christmas time is never an excuse.
so some could visit everybody, but I
resist. I resist.
and some could hug up everybody, but I
resist.
So when I see trouble coming,
I resist. Oh, I resist.
some people don't understand me.
No. I resist. Oh, I resist.
I'm telling you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas.
I resist. Oh, I resist.
Yes, I promise you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas.
I resist. Oh, I resist.
You see,
What is nothing for you might be trouble for me. What is nothing for you might be trouble for me. What is nothing for you might be trouble for me. What is nothing for you?
only you, Lord, know my heart. You have known me from the start. If anybody find us douche, they could throw in the bush. Ha. So when I see trouble coming,
I resist. Oh, I resist.
some people don't understand me.
No. I resist. Oh, I resist.
But I'm telling you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas.
I resist. Oh, I resist.
I promise you, Jesus will be honored this Christmas.
I resist. Oh, I resist.
Yeah, you can get on pull up, Jack.
We have to make sure that Jesus still gets the honor with all the festivities that we will try to fit in this Christmas, make sure that Jesus remains at the very top. He is the central focus. Amen. Some of us have come to this year. We have made it all the way down to the end. We are in December now. The question is, how clean is your heart? How clean is your heart? What kind of heart are you entering into the new year 2021 with? This song is an encouragement to you. Run tune.
Create in me a clean heart and renew a steadfast spirit within me, within me. Everybody, clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood until it's shiny, shiny and new. And mine, well, I clean in that. Selfishness, well, I clean in that too. Hatred, well, I clean in that.
Yes, the DJ is in the house. There's a dance for this. For everyone right now who is sitting down, for those who are standing up, because you can't remain seated, this is the dance. Bad mind, well, I clean in that. Selfishness, I clean in that too. Hatred, well, I clean in that. This Christmas is everybody. Clean out your heart for Christmas. You have it? Everybody have it? Then let's do it.
Father, create in me a clean heart, and renew a steadfast spirit within me, within me. Everybody, clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood until it's shiny, shiny and new. And mine, well, I clean in that. Selfishness, well, I clean in that too. Violence, well, I clean in that. This Christmas is everybody. Clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood until it's shiny, shiny and new. Envy, well, I clean in that. Jealousy, well, I clean in that too. Hatred, well, I clean in that. This Christmas I clean the curtains, the cushions and the rug. Everything that dirty in my heart will get a scrub and wash away that envy. Well, I clean in that. Jealousy, I clean in that too. Hatred, well, I clean in that. This Christmas I clean anyway. And everywhere I turn, I see people cleaning up and painting up their home. But what about the inside where the spirit resides? It would never be right if we keep neglecting the Most High. I know that Jesus loves me, left the glory of the heavens for the earth, where He lived for me, and He bled for me, and He died for me. So this Christmas, everybody, clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood till it's shiny, shiny and new. Bad mind, well, I clean in that. Selfishness, well, I clean in that too. Violence, well, I clean in that. This Christmas is everybody. Clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood till it's shiny, shiny and new. Envy, well, I clean in that. Jealousy, well, I clean in that too. Hatred, well, I clean in that. This Christmas I ain't not saying go pretty up your home, but how the outside look should never be your main concern. Focus on the inside where the spirit resides. It can never be right if we keep neglecting the Most High. I know that Jesus loves me, left the glory of the heavens for the earth, where He lived for me, and He bled for me, and He died for me. So this Christmas, everybody, clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood until it's shiny, shiny and new. And we will I clean in that. Jealousy, will I clean in that too. Hatred, will I clean in that. This Christmas is everybody. Clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood until it's shiny, shiny and new. Violence, will I clean in that. Selfishness, will I clean in that too. Hatred, will I clean in that. This Christmas I clean in. Everything I clean must stay clean. Everything I clean must stay clean. What do you mean? Everything I clean must stay clean. So listen to this. If they bring the badness here, I'm going so.
Going so,
If they bring the folly here, I'm going so.
going so,
If they bring the hatred here, I'm going so.
going so.
If they bring the sin over here, I'm going so. You understand it?
Father, create in me a clean heart, and renew a steadfast spirit within me, within me. Everybody, clean out your heart for Christmas. Wash it with the blood until it's shiny, shiny and new.
DJ, pull up that track.